Hey guys, back at it again with another how-to for you. Today we are going to be talking about the back freewheel. This is one of my favorite tricks, so I'm super stoked to show it to you guys.
Hit it! That's what I'm talking about. Wait!
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.
Okay, what is a back freewheel? Simply put, it's essentially the back end of a cartwheel or stern end going off a drop. So how to do it? You are going to come into the drop, you're going to turn around backwards, you're going to look over your shoulder and spot the lip. As you're looking over your shoulder, get ready to plant that paddle stroke. So once that paddle stroke is planted, you are going to look over the opposite shoulder. You are going to be pulling and twisting your body at the same time, then getting back over the center of the boat. As you're spotting your landing, you're going to land out and paddle away. Easy as that. So some tips and tricks for the back freewheel. I find it easiest if you actually come into the drop facing forwards and then about, I don't know, somewhere between 3 to 5 feet from the lip, I'll do a quick backstroke, spin around backwards, and almost even not get 100% backwards, but kind of like 3/4 the way. And then I'll be able to spot that lip really easily. And then from there, you can throw that back freewheel really easy. So I find it easiest to just kind of come into it forwards, spin at the last minute, and then throw it off the edge. The other tip that I've got is really focus on spotting both the lip with your paddle, and then really once that paddle blade has been planted and you start to pull, twist over your shoulder, looking the other direction, and spot the landing as soon as possible. So two things that you really focus on spotting, two things. Spot that paddle stroke right at the lip, and then transition into spotting the landing as fast as possible. Cheers, guys. Honestly, this is one of my favorite tricks to do. Definitely my favorite thing to do off of a waterfall. Super fun. And you can practice this on any size waterfall, whether it's a 3-foot booth or a 30-foot waterfall. I usually like to do it at my home spot that's around just under 20 feet. But anyway, regardless about that, just a fun trick to throw into your tool bag, and it looks pretty stylish if you can pull it off. Guys, have fun with it. Make sure to, just enjoy it. Practice on easier stuff as you're working your way up, and let me know what you guys think about this. Let me know if this has helped you, and please feel free to like, share, comment, and please subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Honestly, guys, I hope it works for you. It's super fun, so go out there, give it a shot. Cheers.